Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and this is another video of Laravel, and I'm going to teach you Laravel from scratch to professional developer. So the first things you need to do when you are coding Laravel is to make sure that you have XAMPP installed. I think I have described these in previous videos. If you haven't watched the video, please go and watch that video. And the first thing you need to do is to start the server, and you make sure that Apache is running, which is not necessary, but you make sure that MySQL is running. That is only thing you need for now. So now another thing I'm going to tell you is I won't just start something from scratch, like explaining everything. So it is so important for you to understand that Laravel has different folders, and these folders has its own purposes. And for example, we have app folder, and this is where you'll be having all the logic code written. And we have database, and this is where we define our database, and we have factories and migrations. So all of these are part of the database. So I will go deep into that in future videos. So and now we have public folder, and the folder we use it for storing something that is intended to be public, such as the CSS files, the JavaScript files, and so forth. And we have the resources, and resources are kind of like can be public but not so, but we have like views, and this is something you see on the screen. So so everything you see on the screen is going to be located inside resources. So, and we have routes. So routing in Laravel is sort of like we have different routes. We have web, and web routes is used to, like, if you go to the page slash maybe contact us, and that is a route. And if you go to slash login, for example, that is another route. If you go to slash register, that is a route. So basically application is built by different routes that you use to navigate through the app. So, and we have storage, and that's where you will store your files, your logs, and so forth. So it is important to understand that. And Laravel use something called Composer, and Composer is dependency management for PHP, and because Laravel depend on PHP, that's where we have Composer that is going to enable us to install the dependencies required for Laravel to run. So, like, because Laravel is a framework, and the framework is built on top of existing programming language such as PHP, and we are depending on different packages in order for Laravel to exist. That's where the Composer come into place, because a creator of Laravel has created a framework but didn't build everything from scratch. That's where he used dependencies from other developers too. So, and I've also explained the app folder. So the app folder is focusing on the logic. So we have different folders here, but the important folder I want you to focus on is this called HTTP, and then controllers. So within controllers, that's where you'll be putting your controller files. So controller is basically a type of a class, a PHP class that is going to control the application, so the logic flow. So that's what we have for now. I don't want to go deep into folders, but I want to just give you the general overview of what is Laravel and what it does for a developer. So I hope you understand this concept of folder, and in next videos I will create a controller and print a hello world on the screen. Thank you.